Hey everyone, my name is Olga, I'm from Russia, and this is my final project for CS50. It is called Travelers. It's a web-based car-sharing application that helps find travel companions for after trip. For example, if you're a driver and have empty seats in your car, you can find people traveling the same way to share travel costs with. And for passengers, it's a place to find a car and have a more affordable trip. Okay, we're on the main page where you can search for free cars. To sort offers, you can specify quantity seats needed. Okay, I'll choose this offer. To reserve seats, I press reserve. And in my profile, I can see my trips where I'm a driver or I'm a passenger. Let's say I want to offer my car to other travelers. Then I press plan a trip and fill the form. Then I go to my profile, and here it is, the new trip. So if I press edit profile, submit. So we have successfully changed username, email, and my avatar. Thank you for watching. It was CS50 final project Travelers.